Sorry, do you sleep well? Not well, not all night. What was the matter? There was a mosquito in my room. I could catch it. That's really bad. I give you some bug spray tonight. Thanks. That's a pity. I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry about that. I'd like to talk to Peter. May I call him? Certainly. How do I use the phone? I think it's the same as yours in Korea. Do you have his number? Sure, here is it. Then just pick up the receiver and push the right button. Do you have his phone number? Do you have his pager number? Do you have his address? Is this the operator? Yes, what may I do for you? I'd like to make a correct call to Mrs. B at 822-567-1264. I'm sorry, he's not at home. Would you like to talk to Mrs. B? Yes, thank you. May I talk to Mrs. Kim? Certainly. May I speak with Mrs. Hill? Sorry, she is not here.